Hey dear, do you want to be a part of my vlog? I'm vlogging.
Are you?
Yeah. What's up guys, it's Cody B Pyrotechnics and we are at a fireworks store just south of Fargo, North Dakota, where they just got in a bunch of new product. It's called Hot Fireworks. It's a brand that I've never heard of. We're going to be lighting off a bunch of fireworks before this little demo, so I'm going to actually cut right to the first firework in the product lineup. Now, because I've never actually heard of this brand, I'm going to try to put a picture of what the logo looks like on the screen here. And yeah, we'll get right into the fireworks.
This is a nice zipper cake.
All right, Band of Brothers, let's go.
Here we go.
It's actually nice it's a low cost zipper cake.
Yeah, nice show.
Is that a smoke bomb?
Nice horsetails.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it sparks.
Shoot flaming balls.
Outrageous.
Probably hot.
Here we go.
You know if that's got an angle on it or anything?
I think they're
up?
straight up. I'm pretty sure it's straight the whole way.
Cool.
Outbreak.
Zombie Outbreak. 35 shots. Gorgeous cake.
Yeah, nice.
That green was...
Yeah.
So this is like a 1-1 cake?
Yeah.
So 155 shots hold the line. Whenever you're ready.
Here we go. Hold the line.
Nice. You said that was 158 shots?
Yes.
Holy cow.
Real nice.
Oh, that's a real cool label on that.
I know it. It's awesome,
Wow.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
158 shots. That's a big boy.
That's a good cake.
Wow. So what's that, Neon Crush?
Neon Crush 25 shot.
Nice.
Hot fireworks.
Oh, that's another fan one.
Yes.
We bad. 30 shot.
9-shot devil in disguise, 2-inch.
Sweet. Oh, this one looks like it's straight up. Yes.
It's a rack.
All right.
Let's see what it does. We'll get a little wind in here now. What is that? Double disguise. 9 on the board. That's blood red. Love it. Yeah. It is. Killer plus plus.
Three
Big
inch
ol'
7.
7 shots.
Yes, 3-inch 7-shot.
Nice. Liberty salute, holy cow. That is one of the biggest fireworks I've ever seen.
It's heavy.
It's covering your whole head right now.
It's really heavy, Casey.
Sweet. I love that big American flag on there too.
I love it how it's open like this and shows
Oh yeah,
the
it
tubes
shows the
too.
tubes. That's one of
way
my
better.
favorite things.
Without a doubt.